Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back to the investing channel. In tonight's video, I'm going to do another update on BNX Coin. One of my viewers had asked for me to revisit it, and when I look back, I realized it's been a month, so it's time, right? So in this video, I'm going to take a look at it. We'll look at the charts. I do see some potential there for potential profit that I can make, so I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts and looking at the chart. And if you're new, you're going to want to see this. Trust me. Don't leave. I'm not going to waste your time. You're going to want to see this because you're going to see some stuff that you haven't seen before. Okay. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you guys. If you're not yet subscribed, there's a little icon right here in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. You can click it with your mouse, and then you smack the bell when it pops up so that you're notified when I come up with the next video, okay? All right, let's see. Share my screen, ding-a-ling. Here we are. I set up an Instagram account. A lot of you guys are asking me to do videos like what you're about to see, and I'm doing quick little responses here, okay? I just set it up a couple days ago. I've got quite a few people coming in already off the videos. So go over there, follow me. It's called Investing Points, and then click the follow button, and you guys can come in here and see these other coins that other people are asking me to do quick little videos on. So you guys can get it. If you're looking for something that you guys want to potentially look into, these could be options, okay? Okay. Let me head back over here. I'm also going to be doing a video on the Fibonacci indicator. I think it's got some potential there that I use periodically that if you guys aren't aware of how it works, it'll probably help you out, okay? So I'm putting that together as we speak, and I'll probably have it available in the next day or two. Okay, so here's BNX. I'm in the TradingView platform. If you're not using TradingView to monitor your stocks in your crypto and just doing analysis, they've got all sorts of tools here on the side, all sorts of indicators you can play with, and they have a 30-day free trial. So I have a link down below in the description of this video right here, okay? Just click the little see more below the video. So let me explain for those of you guys that are new, why you were at the right place at the right time right now watching this video. You probably haven't seen this before. So what happens is when I draw these bases, all throughout here, what happens is when they crack the base, when the price goes down, it'll usually go down and it'll either come right back up or it'll go down and linger down below for a while and then swing back up and ultimately touch that line again. And what does that mean to you? That means that for me, especially when I wait for that pricing to break that base and I'm down here, I'm buying the dip. I know where the dip is. I'm buying the crack. I buy it down. Well, I'm not buying crack, but I'm buying the dip. Okay. So I'm buying the dip and then I'm riding it back up and taking profit. You just have to be patient. We're in a bear market right now. So patience, you have to have a little more patience than in a bear market. In a bull market, but you just have to be patient. Okay. Because I'm going to show you in a moment that it comes back around. So right here, it broke real quick and it came back up. It broke right there real quick and it came back up. Okay. Here, right there, it swung down, came down to here, and then came back up and touched that base again. This one, it broke it, came back up. This one, it broke it. It came almost back up, but it did ultimately come back up over here. It broke this one and it came back up over here. It broke this one, came back up right over here. It broke this one and came back up a couple times. It broke down here and came back up. It broke down here and came back up. A little one right here broke and came back up. And I could do this on any coin in crypto and I would find a pattern, okay? So if you haven't seen this before, please, below the video right now, there's a little thumbs up icon. It's a little bit to the right of center. If you could click that with your mouse, it only takes you a second. That just helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And it also lets me know that I'm providing you guys helpful information that you guys haven't seen before, okay? So let's go and take a look at BNX. What does that mean? Okay, let me explain it a little more in detail. Based upon breaking it, coming back up and touching that line, we have a more often than not rule, a history of it swinging back up, right? Remember how I said you have to have patience? Well, right now, here's some patience. Okay, this was back on December 2nd, 2021, a couple months ago. It broke. It has not come back up. So for me, we are down here. For me, I can jump in at, let me get over here, BNX, $24, roughly $25. Well, it's going to be 25 in a minute. And then what I can do is I can set my take profit anywhere all the way up to $123. If I have a lot of money and I'm willing to hold for 6 months, 4 months, a year, something like that, then, I could wait for that. But if I want to take a quicker profit, if I want to increase the speed at which I get my money back, I could choose a take profit point somewhere up in here, somewhere double the money. I could make 100% at $50. I could come up here to the 67 mark. I could come up here to the 76 mark. I could come up here to the 86 mark, the $98 mark, and then ultimately the 114 and then the very top. But if I'm choosing a take profit point up here, I'm waiting a while. If I choose one down here, I could double or triple my money. Do I set it higher than that line, the top line? I do not. It could very easily go above it like it did over here on the left, but it could easily hit that line and then immediately shoot back down. Okay. So sometimes these hit that line, like right here. It broke the base over here on the left side, swung down, came up, hit that exact line, and then what did it do? It immediately dropped. So if I would have set my take profit a little bit above it, I would have lost. I would be waiting. I would have just waited like 3 more months, right? So let me share for those of you guys. I told you that you're going to want to subscribe. So please remember, subscribe. You've probably just seen some stuff that you haven't seen before, and then smack that bell when it pops up. But let me share with you guys my account. Here's my account. If you click on my username, you'll see, this is what you'll see. If you click on the videos tab, you'll see my full library. And I'm just waiting for these to swing. I've had a whole bunch swing, guys. I'm going to show you in just a second, so don't leave. Here's one. It swung, took profit, 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 took profit. And I've been doing it for a while. You can see here, all these coins are clearing. Look at this. See all the green cleared? I've got some reds in there. It's because I got nervous. I sold early. And when I went back and checked them, they swung back. They came back and hit. And I had some stop losses early on. I don't do stop losses anymore. And so what I have on my chart here, and you guys can get a copy of this chart if you want, head over to my Instagram account, Investing Points. Remember to follow me, and then send me a DM with your email address and say, hey, can you send me that copy of your spreadsheet? And I'll send it to you guys. But what I do is I put my date in, I put the coin that I'm jumping in, I put how much I'm investing here, that how many coins I'm getting for my money, my entry point, my exit point, and it automatically calculates out what my profit's going to be. And I could go change my exit point at any given time. And here's what my profit percentage is going to be. Okay, so you guys can have that. Some of the recent ones I just jumped into and I did videos on were Jasmy. That one I think is still in positive. I'm still making profit on it. It's still growing. Doge, I jumped in on Doge. I know a lot of people don't like Doge anymore. Doge is a great coin to jump into and make money. You don't have to put all your money into it. I made, I think, around $1,700 in 24 hours on Doge. So you guys can see some of these ones I'm putting in 250, 500, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. You know, I've got on Ethereum, jumped in, that one cleared within like 24 hours. So anyway, I just want to show you guys that I'm making money. It's just a matter of patience. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to visit my channel after this video, and you guys can go watch any of these other ones, and I'll show you proof it's breaking and it's coming back up. Okay. So remember, subscribe, and my Fibonacci video is coming here shortly. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great night. Bye-bye.